Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix iPhone front camera not working on iPhone and iPad. So let's get started. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Privacy. Here, tap on Camera. Here, turn on All Application toggle. So guys, if this method doesn't work on your iPhone, then go to Settings app on your iPhone, scroll up and tap on Screen Time. Under the Screen Time, scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Here, tap on Allowed Apps and turn on Camera option. Now go to Back menu, scroll down and tap on Photos and select Allow Changes under the Photos app. Method 3 is Reset All Settings. Open Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Then tap on Reset All Settings. Here, enter your passcode. After that, tap on Reset All Settings to confirm. Method 4 is make sure that iPhone case or screen protector doesn't cover the front camera. If it's covered, remove them.